presentation on the ideas about between physics and geography and making choices between them. At the start of this year, with the current grade 8 class, we gave them the option of whether they wanted to do geography or physics. And the reason for that option basically is because not all students are inclined towards sciences. Not all students find mathematical sciences, such as physics, easy. And a lot of students don't have an interest in that area. And for some students that already know what they want to do or have an idea of what they want to do, they don't require physics. So it was just a second option for those students who wanted to try something different outside of the sciences, as they're doing biology and chemistry already. And so what we want to do today is just maybe go through some of the different questions that might come up from you guys. And I want to do a short presentation to highlight what geography is about, what are some of the benefits of geography, maybe what are some of the potential jobs that geography can lead to, where physics will be important in terms of careers, where geography might be more important, where both of them may not be really that important, but it's just one of the courses that they'll complete for their IGCSE certificates. No. If you choose not to do physics, then you drop that exam from your IGCSE and you take up geography.